Good morning. Good morning, Teng. Good morning.
Before I spoke a word, you were singing
Hello, Pilipinas.
You have been so
Mulan.
good.
But still, I'm grateful for this day.
Before I took a
For a new day, a new hope, a new strength. And I thank God for everything that He had given me.
So kind to me.
He never leaves my side. And I'm glad that I was able to film this. I started to film this because I want to remind myself that I am a grateful child of God. Everything that I have in my life right now is because of Him. I can take it as a step. But I know in my heart that God will give it back in His perfect time. And I should be grateful for everything we have done. And I am blessed to have Him as a father. We are. Kasi kahit sobrang kasama ng nagawa natin sa mundo. And yet, still open His arms, His big wide arms para tanggapin tayo. And I'm sorry, God, for everything I have done. No one not a perfect child. But every day I am doing my best to walk in His path. And I just want your wisdom, God, because every day is a challenge, not just for me, for everyone. We need to make a decision. Every day is a choice. Every moment of our life is a choice. Whether you want to do good or bad. Doing this, I have nothing to hide, nothing to fear. Because this is me. I know I've been putting a mask. Putting a mask to hide my true feelings. What am I going through? And yes, I don't know what to do. Kung saan ba talaga ako. Hindi ko alam kung I'm still in the right profession. I really want my mom to na, alam mo yun, hindi na mag-work. Pero yung sarili ko, hindi ko pa rin natutulungan. And how can I help my family, I myself, no? Hindi ko matulungan. Awa ko sa sarili ko. Pero yung sarili ko rin naman yung makakatulong sa akin. That's why I have encouraged myself to do this. Para kausapin yung sarili ko. To do what is right. And hindi na para ang tagal pa itong nararamdaman ko. I need to act on this. Ang tagal ko nang wala talagang ginagawa. And I want that to be eliminated. Yung thought na hindi ka magaling, wala ka ng kaibigan, na may hina na yung influence level mo, ay hindi ka nakatulad nila. I want that to be removed from that thoughts. Kasi it started with thoughts, diba? Kaya siguro napakalugmo ko ngayon because of that. And I want that. And I want God to help me. To give me strength, no? Strength para malabanan yung lahat ng iniisip ko. Kasi ang dami kong gustong gawin sa buhay. Ang dami gusto kong ma-achieve. Pero ang hirap gawin. Alam ko that I need to step to walk on the edge. Kahit inch lang. I know that. I spend a lot of dreams about it, but ang hirap kong kumalaw. I didn't know what to do. Sabi nila mag-pray. Always pray. And I know God is there. Alam ko, meron siyang plans for me. And don't get me wrong. Hindi ako nagpapaawa. This is just me pouring out myself to the world. Na sa kabila ng saya, yung nakikita nyo, it's just a facade of myself. Pero sobrang lungkot ko na. Sobrang, alam yun, hindi na alam kung saan puputungo. I hope this thoughts maiwan na lang dito sa video na to. Para I can move forward. Kasi gusto ko lang talaga makatulong sa pamilya ko. And it's been months na hindi na ako nakakatulong. Siguro pabigat na nga ako eh. But God, I'm so thankful. Kasi everyday, nakakaya pa rin kami. Malusog pa rin kami. Na my father got sick, no? But, I'm happy that he's still okay. My mama, nasa ay, alam ko na may nararamdaman na siya kasi matanda na, no? But, God, binibigyan mo pa rin siya ng lakas. Parang taguyod talaga yung family. And I'm happy and I'm glad. Kasi nandyan ka, Lord. And this is the first step para makaahon ako. Para magawa ko yung dapat. Kasi, kung hindi ko pa ito gagawin ngayon, hindi ko na alam kung saan ako pupunta. I stayed in this house, itong nasunog na bahay na to, for me to remind myself na, Teng, kailangan mo na magtrabaho kasi bahay mo sunog. No one can help you except yourself. Kailangan mo na magtrabaho kasi kailangan mo itayo ulit ito. No one will help you. Only God will help you. Yourself. When I move ito sa lugar na solitude, para lang siguro akong lalong na-depressed, no? Kasi, feeling ko na parang kung hirap itayo. I have a lot of plans in this house. So, hindi naman sa amin talaga ito. It's just a bride. But still, yung pera nila mama dito nila pinagdaan. And I want them to see. Maganda ulit ito. But, yun nga, na-overwhelm ako sa fact na ang daming gawin, ang daming dapat gawin. And lalo ako nalungkot. Kasi feeling ko wala akong nagawa. Parati lang ako lang sa kama, nakahiga, doing video game, another sort of thing. Nawala ako sa focus for a long time. Kasi feeling ko hindi ko na kaya to. What's stopping me from doing the things I want to do? If yung takot if I can. I will talk with my clients, with my prospects, I'll do again my job. Baka ma-reject ka naman ako. I guess, sinasabi ko naman yun parati sa mga agents ko na talagang may rejection. No? And, ang hirap din. Personally, lalo sa akin, a person na gusto ng likes, gusto ng attention. But right now, God's will come. I will reach out to everyone, approach everyone. Na kahit anong sabihin nila, I'm just doing my job. I want to earn for my family, and this is my profession. And I'm glad that He put me in this profession to help people. At sa mga agent na nakakaramdam dito, alam niyo. Diba, ang tagal ko na sa profession na to, pero hindi ko pa rin na-overcome yung ganyan fear. Just need to go back. Ano ba yung talaga yung mission mo? my mission is to help people. That's my purpose in life. This is what I am living. This is why I'm living my life now. The purpose of helping people is embracing what they're capable of.
When the world's on your shoulders, and you're
I am a leader. And I lead myself first. Leading with love, joy, humility. May kanisip ka lang. Humility. Humility. God is teaching me. Humility. I've been there at the top. Now I'm at the rock bottom. I'm being too proud of myself. Yeah. I know I have a lot of things to work on with myself, and I'm happy to work para napabuti yung buhay ko. Dahil sa pagpapabuti ng buhay ko, I can help a lot of people. Alam mo yung tama nga si Vice ganda yung tulungan mo muna yung sarili mo bago ka tumulong sa ibang tao. Kasi paano aapaw yung love and joy sa puso mo kung kulang ka. And I'm so happy for that. For reminding me this. Punuan ko muna yung sarili ko ulit. Ngayon, July 22. Starting just July 22. A month before my 39th birthday. Promise myself to love, to be joyful always, to be humble with all the things God is giving. Punuan ko sarili ko, and pag napuno ko rin sarili ko, natutulungan ko na yung family ko and a lot more people. And thank God for everything, and I will not promise that this is not the last time that I will cry. So, crayola talaga ako. And just happy today because ginawa ko to. Sabi ko, pag ginawa ko to, alam mo yun, such an accomplishment. Kasi I really want to do mga journal. No? Hindi ako magsulat talaga. And, medyo hindi siya consistent. And that's one of the things that I am lacking, consistency. And with this video, I know, and I know God will put the drive in me, you know, to do this, you know, happy, you know, para talaga ma-remind yung sarili ko sa things sa mga nangyayari sa buhay ko. And it's just a puzzle, you know. But everything happened for a reason. Na lahat ng napagdaanan ko is just a piece of the puzzle para dun sa grandest version of myself. And this happy day, July 22, a month before my birthday, 39th birthday. And I'm so glad to God for everything you have done for me. And I'm so happy for everyone for listening at giving an ear sa lahat ng pinagsasabi ko dito. And sana may natutunan din kayo sa mo. And I'm really doing this for relationship. Para sa sarili ko. So, again, good morning everyone. Love ya. This is thanks.